Hello viewers, let's lock Facebook Messenger for better privacy and security, and you will also see removing the lock from the same in case if you don't wanna go with it in future. Now open Facebook and then click on Messenger, or come and directly open Messenger, Facebook Messenger, and when it open, come click menu 3 dots and then go to settings, and in settings scroll down till you find privacy and safety. So tap on it, and now it's app lock, it's off at the moment. Tap over here and it appears. So unlock or turn on this button. As soon this button is turned on, so it will ask for biometric or password or pattern. You can also change below option for auto locking time. Now let's click back and check it if it works. So let me close all things, and when I come to Facebook Messenger, it's locked and it asks for password or biometric. To remove lock from Facebook Messenger, simply come again and over menu, click these 3 lines or 3 dots and click on settings, and at the same way come down and click privacy and safety. Now app lock is on, so tap on it and turn off this button. So now the lock will automatically be removed and it's open now. You can see the app lock is off. So through this way you can keep lock your Facebook messages and ensure your privacy. Thanks for watching.